today I just feel to talk a little about the Yuthok cave, and then of course everybody knows that Yuthok Yonten Gonpo, the great Tibetan physicians and the founder of the Tibetan medicine. So the Yuthok Yonten Gonpo, he came to Lapchi in the 8th century, and at that time there is nobody staying here except Yuthok. Why he came to Lapchi, that is the reasons, right? That is one question, is that Lapchi, we have more than 1,000 herbs that so those who are interested with the herbs and plants, so they can see whenever they go here and there, you can see. 정말 드레스 delicious 인도 다 다른 아주 디 랍치 유독 케이프라 아니 아주 주기 아니 내냠도 다른 데라 아니 이스토니아 다스 핀란드 아니 스위스랜드 네 아니 게스 군조 멤버 가시 싶어요 아니 군조님도 유독을 주기 제선 다리 다 오늘 바카지 다리 유독을 대래 센직 요 공주 바쁘나 봐 공주 자 아니지 르르진이 쉬어르샤 먼저 카지 야마 먼저 대사마 로트에 되게 차시 Come to Yuthok Cave and Retreat House. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Juice is actually can go
Yeah.
rolling coffee.
Okay, please have seat.
Yeah.
And here,
Sorry, I make
this,
tea.
this nice.
Because you come so late, I start to make
How come the Yuthok Yonten Gonpo linked with the Lapchi Snow Mountain?
8th century when Yuthok Yonten Gonpo he was maybe 51-year-old. He went here to Lapchi to do retreat. He actually gave like prophecy. Here is coming future Buddha. He gave prophecies. Here will come Milarepa, who is coming. Went here 11th century. And when Yuthok went here, his first 6 months he did meditation, but this cave, he's actually here was this cave was earth, and he's with one dakini, say digging earth out, and this coming cave.
And Vivek has came to Lapchi Snow Mountain, and then she is quite interested with the herbs and then physicians, all these things. And we found this Yuthok cave, and she tried to open the door to the old world, and now we have this kind of retreat house. So this all because of the Vivek and all our friends, right? So very thank you, Vivek. Yes, okay. So can you tell us short about how you thought to open this kind of door to all of us?
Actually, this door I don't open. Yuthok opens this door 8th century.
You stay retreat here after build this retreat hut?
First I stay maybe 5 months was, yeah. And I did Yuthok Ningtik, and I did some part of Trikunglinich Nendro. And last year, it was 2 years ago. Last year I was here maybe 1 month retreat, and this year I plan to come in May, end of May, stay until October. just now is one my friend from Estonia. Her name is Monica. she will come to do 1 month retreat.
Hello,
Yes, you from?
I'm from Estonia.
So can you tell us why you came to Lapchi Snow Mountain far from your country, and what the reasons that make you stay retreat in this Yuthok Yonten Gonpo cave?
I've heard about Lapchi 20 years ago when I joined the Yuthok village. And it was, we were thought like a very holy place, like Lhasa and Tsari, Kailash, when Lapchi was the one of those places. And if I heard the name of the place, Lapchi, then I knew I want to come there. But it was of course difficult to come, but now connections came, and thanks to Vivi and Tava and our helpers and very kind monks who are living here in Lapchi Kompa.
So can you tell us why that make you stay to retreat in the Yuthok cave, since you are going to stay for 1.5 months or stay retreat in the Yuthok cave, right?
Yes, I've been also like a Tibetan medical student, and Yuthok cave. Yuthok is like the lineage holder of a main figure of Tibetan medicine school. So it was quite obvious that if you learn Tibetan medicine, you have to do Yuthok retreat and to come. Of course, the best place is to do the most powerful in Yuthok cave.
Yeah.
Why is here is good to do retreat? Because it's actually Yuthok Yonten Gonpo did here 3-year retreat. And who is studying Tibetan medicine, who is maybe sick, who is have some health problem, it's for them is very good place to do retreat.
So right now I'm speaking in this wonderful forest with the background of the juniper, the medicine herbs, right? So Lapchi, we have not only the holy site of the great master Melodipa, we also have the great Tibetan physicians, Dr. Yuthok Yonten Gonpo, the founder of Tibetan medicine. Therefore, a lot of our medical students are also coming to Lapchi for the pilgrimage as well as to study the herbs in Lapchi.